Hi, friends. It's Lauren. I just wanted to take a few minutes today to have a little heart to heart with you about all the changes that are happening and what's going on here with my Craft Some Joy business and my Creative Memories content. I know things look really, really different around here. So I just wanted to take a few minutes and explain what the changes are, why they're happening, and really what all this means for you. First of all, I just want to share a little behind the scenes. Being a virtual creator has been such a blessing for me, and I have met so many of you here through screens, through the chat, through my memberships, through just being part of this amazing virtual community. And it has truly just been such a wonderful experience for me to share. And all this time that I've shared all of my content free and widely and for any consumer, I've always kind of struggled with one question, and that is, well, what about the people who actually support me and my Creative Memories business? I have all this amazing Creative Memories content, but how do I make those people who choose me as their advisor or are on my team, how do I make them feel special? And that has always been a big, big question that I share on my heart. Now, I'm not like your normal advisor. I don't have a crop room or a crop house or a hotel or even my own living room where I can just walk up to you and give you a big hug and say, I am so glad that you are here. And I'm so thankful that, we are connected. I don't have that. And so, what I finally came to realize is that I need to create that in a virtual space. So, that is the background of my VIP membership area. While I have loved sharing all my content freely to so many people, what I realized is that I truly do want to make the people who support my Creative Memories business feel special with my Creative Memories content. It just kind of makes sense. After all these thoughts and this reflection and some pretty intense conversations with the hubby Hines, I decided that this definitely was an area that I wanted to move forward with. And that is why I have been spending the last little while here making some big changes. The VIP member area is a space where I can give back. I can give back to the people who support my Creative Memories business. So, what is the VIP member area? Well, that is a new space that I have created for people who, again, purchase with my Creative Memories link to shop or are part of my Creative Memories team. Because what is behind the member area is really all related to Creative Memories. So in that member area, you are going to find all my tutorials, all of my videos. It's a library of over 300 plus videos, my Friday night scrapping videos. I also have a special VIP shop for Creative Memories product, some downloads. You'll have the live stream links and also some other special perks and video tutorials that I am loading into that area. So, as you can see, if you are already a Creative Memories customer or team member, things are only getting better. Now, I know there still is some more confusion out there because I know some of you are thinking, but Lauren, I shopped on your website and I bought products from your Craft Some Joy shop. And really, I can understand how that is confusing because my shop was loaded with both my own personal Craft Some Joy exclusives and fun finds, as well as a lot of Creative Memories product. So, of course, it kind of led to confusion. It probably looked like just one big business, but in actuality, this these two businesses are entirely separate. I have a Craft Some Joy business, which is my own personal brand, and I have a Creative Memories business, which again is why I'm creating my membership area. And these are two separate worlds that I love both of them, but they both require different attention. And so that's why now there's a really clear distinction between these two businesses. So my Craft Some Joy shop has an entirely new refresh, and that is where I share products that I have created and developed myself, some curated specialty items like dies and also die cut sets and sentiment stickers where I do all the designing. I will have digital products there, again, designs that I have designed. And that is a space that truly, truly brings me so much joy because I can wear all the hats. I'm the creator, I'm the manufacturer, I do it all right for my Craft Some Joy world. And then my creative memories business, that I can take care of those people in my new membership area. And again, that's where all of those other items will live that are related to creative memories. Now, I understand there was that overlap of both worlds. And if you have been in my memberships, if you are part of my pop crops or my monthly meetups, then I kind of do use both those worlds together because I love creating with Creative Memories products, but I also love adding my own special touch to my pages. And so naturally, these kind of two worlds do commingle. And I just want to stress also that if you are a pop member or if you are a monthly meetup member, those are going to continue. I am continuing to make content for both of those memberships, and that will, my monthly meetup will continue next year. We'll have a whole fresh new collection to work with. My pop series, I always make new sketches using Creative Memories product. So no matter whose customer you are or who you use, or if you are on another advisor's team, those memberships are welcome to everyone. And again, it's a place where I can create exclusive content for you in those memberships. So let me just kind of reiterate and take a step back here. And some of you thought, I know, have been thinking that if you are a member in one of my memberships, or if you have purchased from my Craft Some Joy shop, well, then doesn't that make me a customer? And so I'm hoping that this clarity is kind of showing you that, yes, you are a customer of mine, but these really are two separate worlds. And so I'm moving in a direction that I can support my Creative Memories business and also support my Craft Some Joy business. So you're going to see me create a lot of fun new tutorials and free content for all of my Craft Some Joy business products because any crafter can enjoy those products, whatever products you use to create and enjoy your creative time, whether you're a card maker, a scrapbooker, a junk journaler, whatever you are, the products in my Craft Some Joy shop can help you make that more fun, can help you craft your joy. So I hope that really kind of clears things up. The memberships, just by being a member, you get me, you get my ideas, and you get the live stream. And so essentially, that's what you pay for your membership. Now, I just want to take a minute here and talk to my international friends because I just have to say, you've been with me from the very beginning, and you really don't have a choice, right? You can't shop with me and you can't be on my team. So, just for my international friends, I am also going to extend a membership with a small monthly fee in case you want to continue to be part of my creative journey with Creative Memories products. And that membership will include access to the VIP area. And so you will continue to have access if you choose. Now, I've also been asked, well, Lauren, can you do that for some of the US folks? And I thought about that for a while, and my heart really came back once again to the fact that if I gave access to everyone, then my people don't feel special anymore. So again, this really is my way of saying, I see you. I know how special you are. I know that you've chosen to be on your creative journey with me, and I want to celebrate that. Now, I know there's probably a lot of questions that I may not be answering in this video, and I've been getting a lot of emails and a lot of questions. And so I just wanted to let you know I've also set up an FAQ page on my website, a frequently asked questions. And as more questions come in, sometimes I will add clarity to those questions. But if you want, I left the link to my FAQ page in the description of this video. And you can also find it if you just go to my Craft Some Joy website and click on the FAQ link and, about all the changes happening. And again, also, if you have even more questions, feel free to reach out and I'm happy to answer those. So you might also be wondering, well, what are you going to be doing here on YouTube? And don't worry, there is still going to be a lot of inspiration through my video content right here on YouTube. It was, again, just time to make a break and share content differently. So you will see here on my YouTube channel moving forward tutorials about dies and die cutting. I'll share my craft room tour, keep those organizational things happening. There is so much other wonderful content to share here on my YouTube videos. So I do hope that you'll stick around and continue to be part of my crafty community. So no matter how you connect with me, either through Craft Some Joy here on YouTube and those tutorials, or if you are a VIP member, there is going to be plenty of content. Or if you are part of my memberships, I am always creating content for you and your crafty journey. The choice is entirely yours. You can choose to be a Craft Some Joy customer. You can choose to be a Creative Memories customer or team member. You can choose to be both. You can choose to be part of my memberships, or you can choose none of it. It's all your choice. And I just want to extend that invitation on whatever feels comfortable and feels right for your journey ahead. So really, the heart of what I'm doing hasn't changed. I want to be here to inspire you, to share my creativity with you, to keep you motivated. And just the how I'm doing that is what's changing so that I can truly feel that I am giving my best to the people who support what I do. So thank you truly for being here, for crafting with me, for being with me through every season and every change. I truly appreciate you. Big hugs, friends. And remember, until I see you next time, don't forget to craft your joy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.